Hi everyone, welcome to Dundas Dashboard How-To videos. This video is on how to implement custom attributes. It will demonstrate the steps needed to successfully use custom attributes as a flexible means of setting up your data to return only the results that the current dashboard user is allowed to see. A custom attribute is simply a name-value string pair that lets us associate the information with a user or security group. So to better understand this concept, let's use an example. You realize some of them should not be allowed to see some sensitive information. For example, some of these rows on your product table. But you still want them to see this dashboard since you want everyone to have access and see the health of your company. If you want to take the custom attributes approach, we will then need to alter our database. For example, in this case, add a new column to our product table, call it security level, which will determine what rows can see each user depending on the security level they were given. And then on our Dundas dashboard, we add to our user or users group their according security level. I'll be demonstrating how to do the latter. Let's go to our Dundas dashboard website and look for the virtual table we would like to filter on. I will be assuming you already have set up your database to manage the security levels, or you already know the column you would like to filter on. In this example, we have the product overview table. If you go to the preview tab and click on the preview content, I have the product ID, the product name, and the security level we want to filter our information on. Now we can go ahead and click on Add Manual Parameter. If you don't see this option, it means you are on a standard virtual table and you need to click on Manual Override option on the toolbar. Then this button will appear. Click on Add Manual Parameter, click on the User Base Filter, give it a name, select Custom Attribute, give it a name as well, click Finish, and we see how the parameter has been successfully created. Now we need to modify our query accordingly so the manual parameter can actually take effect. In our case, the query will look something like this. You can see how the parameter we just added is part of the where clause and filtering on the security level column. Now let's go ahead and save. Once done with your virtual table, now you can create a KPI or dataset using this virtual table. For this example, we will be using a dataset, so I'll go ahead and create a dataset from this virtual table. Let's go to the dashboard where we'll be using our KPI or dataset. Drag and drop your KPI or dataset. In our case, is our dataset called Product Overview. Click Next until you reach to the point where you see the column that you would like to see. In our case, we want to uncheck the security level column since we don't want to display it. Great, now let's go ahead and save the dashboard and go to your Administration tab. Let's select a user and edit it. In my case, I will be doing the admin. Go to the Custom Attributes tab and add a new attribute. Here, enter the name and value of the custom attribute. For this example, we will be entering security level as the name and 3 as the value. Remember that the name should match the name we gave to our parameter in our virtual table. Click Save. Great. Remember, you can also do this to the security groups here. Since I added the attribute to this account, we need to log out and log in again so the changes can take effect. Let's go to our dashboard and see how this user can only see some of the data, confirming that the custom attribute is in fact working. Great, we can only see 3 rows, meaning that the other 2 rows remaining cannot be seen by this user. One thing I forgot to mention is that you have to check in your dashboard so all these changes can take effect. For more information on what we discussed in this video can be found on our support site, support.dundas.com. Some key articles are shown on the screen now. Please feel free to visit them and read up on the information. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please visit our support site at support.dundas.com or contact us via email or by phone, which are shown on the screen now. Thanks again for watching and stay tuned for upcoming videos.